Thinking about buying a portable air conditioner? Hold off until you check out the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable AC. This powerful unit is designed to cool rooms up to 400 sq.ft, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. In this video, we unbox the Shinco Portable AC and put it to the test, so you can see exactly what you're getting before making a purchase. The Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner comes with 3 versatile modes: cool, dehumidifier, and fan, giving you year-round comfort. Whether you need to beat the summer heat, reduce humidity, or simply circulate air, this unit has you covered. The included remote control and 24-hour timer make it easy to adjust settings without leaving your seat, adding convenience to your cooling experience. Setting up the Shinco Portable AC is a breeze thanks to the included installation kit. The exhaust hose and window adapter are straightforward to assemble, so you can start cooling your space quickly. The compact, rolling design makes it easy to move from room to room, providing flexibility for different cooling needs. Wondering how well it performs? We demo the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable AC to show its cooling power in action. With a high-efficiency compressor, this unit delivers fast and consistent cooling, even on the hottest days. The adjustable fan speeds allow you to customize airflow, while the sleep mode ensures quiet operation for undisturbed rest. One of the standout features of the Shinco Portable AC is its energy efficiency, designed to cool effectively without skyrocketing your electricity bill. This unit is a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. The built-in dehumidifier also helps remove excess moisture from the air, improving indoor air quality and comfort. However, no product is perfect. While the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable AC is powerful, it can be a bit noisy at higher fan speeds, which might be a drawback for light sleepers. Additionally, the exhaust hose requires a nearby window for proper ventilation, which could limit placement options in some rooms. On the positive side, the Shinco Portable AC is packed with user-friendly features like an LED display, auto swing louvers, and a washable air filter for easy maintenance. The 24-hour timer lets you program the unit to turn on or off at specific times, adding extra convenience for daily use. In conclusion, the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a solid choice for those needing reliable cooling in medium-sized rooms. Its versatility, ease of use, and efficient performance make it a great investment. Just be mindful of the noise levels and ventilation requirements. A link to order this product on Amazon has been provided in the description below.